This video is aimed at any teacher who is just getting to know Smart Notebook and would like to know a little bit more about how they can save and load their Smart Notebook files. This is particularly important because many teachers save their work to the T drive. However, the classroom computers do not have access to the T drive. Therefore, if you prepare a lesson on Smart Notebook on either the 3rd or 6th floor in the teachers' rooms there on the computers, then you'll need to save your file onto a USB in order to take that USB to class and load it up from there. In order to save your file in Smart Notebook, select File in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Once you've clicked on this, it will open this drop-down menu from which you choose Save As. This will open up this menu from which you choose the destination to which you would like to save your file. Choosing on the left the exact location, I'm going to choose my USB. I've named it Adam G. If your USB does not have a name, if it's just a collection of numbers and letters, it might be a little bit difficult to locate. You can bring your USB to either Adam G or Adam T, and we can rename it for you so it's easier to find. Once I've selected my USB, it will open that up for me and bring me to this menu. I simply type in the file name, whatever I'd like to save my file as, and then press Save. In order to load a file, I follow pretty much the same procedure. I go to File in the top left-hand corner. I get the drop-down menu from which I select Open this time. This will take me to this menu, which is pretty familiar. It's quite similar to the Save As one. I choose the location on the left from which I would like to load my file. Again, I'm going to choose my USB because that's where I saved my file before. Clicking on that will open up the USB. I select the file I would like to load from there. Should you have any questions about any of this, please do not hesitate to contact either Adam G or Adam T. We are both very happy to help.